Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pack orders with me video. In fact, it's pack Black Friday / holiday orders with me. My battery is about to die, so I'm going to cut to the next clip of just me packing orders so you can watch as a kind of like ASMR video, because I know people find this really satisfying. So yeah, let's just get into a pack with me. I may do like a pack with me / mukbang type video where I speak with you guys while I'm packing too, but let's just get straight into it. For those small business owners out there, something is guaranteed to go wrong, okay? No matter how much you prepare, when it comes to like high times of year when you're packing orders, something always ends up going wrong. And I have prepared so well this year. Until today, I found out that my labels had not arrived from Amazon that I ordered not years ago, but weeks ago. And for some reason, it slipped my mind that they haven't arrived yet. So my labels have run out and Amazon had refunded me a while ago, but I clearly didn't see that either. So yeah, I'm stuck in a bad position right now. I've run out of labels, but you know what? I just have to keep pushing. I'm actually going to pack the orders that I can pack. So we now have these like pink poly bags to go over our boxes just to make it look a bit more pretty. So I've packed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 orders to go out today. Hopefully another 10, so that will be nearly 20 orders, and then I have like 70 to go, which I'm still waiting on the stock for. So this is what I mean by you can prepare, but things will still go wrong. It's now a week after Black Friday, so I'm sure customers are going to be on my back. I'm just sharing with you guys the reality of running a small business. This Black Friday didn't go as well as last year's Black Friday, and I was real scared. I really thought, oh my god, like what's going on? Turns out that it was actually a common thing within the industry. This year, not much people are shopping as they were last year, which kind of makes sense because last year everyone was getting paid to be at home doing nothing, so I guess they were just spending more, whereas this Black Friday wasn't the case. So I actually made the same amount of orders that I did last year, maybe just a tiny bit less. So it wasn't terrible, but compared to what I thought I was gonna do, it was terrible. But I'm so grateful for those that did still shop with us. So that is definitely a positive. At least it wasn't like tremendously less, you know. So you live and you learn, and that's entrepreneurship. It's up and down, it's a roller coaster. But I just feel like I've been going through a lot of ups and downs this year, more than ever, more than any year. So it's been a difficult year for business. I'm just trying to take a few weeks out after getting all these orders out, and I just want to focus on what God is trying to tell me in this lesson, what I need to focus on the most, because you guys know I do a lot of things. I feel like lately YouTube has been the thing that God's been wanting me to focus on. That's the word I'm hearing, that's the message I keep getting. So that could be it, but I don't know. We're just gonna keep listening. I'm kind of gonna quiet out the noise for the next few weeks and just listen to what my purpose is. So if anyone's feeling the same, please comment down below. Let's discuss this topic. I was watching another YouTuber, I think you say it Minerva. I'm so sorry if you're watching this, girl. I think it's Minerva J. I'll link it down below, but she did a great video about just doing less but gaining more results, which I feel like is what God's been trying to tell me as well. Like, just do less, like do one thing, focus on one thing. Even Eric Thomas, he's doing daily lives at the moment on Instagram. I really recommend that you watch them in the morning. It's 8 a.m. our time, 3 a.m. his time, and the message I've been getting from him is that it's to do what comes easy to you. And I feel like this year I've been trying so many new things that have been quite hard for me. So when they don't go right, and it's like I put all this effort in and stuff, it kind of hurts and it makes you want to give up. But if I just focused on what's easy for me and just kept on that, maybe things will work out right for me. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me down below. And also, what do you guys think I should focus on? Is it YouTube? Is it Instagram? Is it solely my courses and my online stuff, my coaching? Or is it just straight Oso Curly? Like, what do I do? Should I outsource Oso Curly and focus on YouTube? Like, what do I do? Someone help, please. So yeah, that is what's going on at the minute for me. Keep positive throughout all of this. I'll be completely transparent with you. There are a lot of expenses and business debts that I owe at the moment. This is me being completely transparent with you guys. Oh my god, the stress of that is just enough in itself. And bruh, if anyone's a small business owner and you feel me, comment down below so I know I'm not alone, because it's weighing on me, and my revenue hasn't been what I wanted it to be to cover all these expenses I have. So yeah, that's what I've been going through, guys, the past month or so. It's been tough. It has been tough, but that's life. I guess that's life. All I can do is my best and keep trying. But I'm definitely going to quiet out the noise and focus on the one thing. I just need to figure out what this one thing is. Once I do that, hopefully everything will finally fall into place. So yeah, basically we have new stickers that I'm going to be putting on every package. We have our affirmation cards, which I'm not sure if I've shown you guys on YouTube yet. But here are our affirmation cards to put in every package as well. And I found a new trick. So instead of printing out and spending money on thank you cards, I have been using this sticker for my laser printer and putting it on every box. So their thank you card comes in the form of like the box, the packaging. So that's been good for saving money. I'm now using peanuts as well instead of tissue paper. Just trying to find ways to save expenses, but still make things look good. So there's that. Then we have also our new cosmetic bags. I'm calling them hair care bags, but it's like a little bag that you can put all of your makeup and hair products and stuff in. And this one is a satin sleep set. So it comes with a satin pillowcase, satin bonnet, and a little mini scrunchie. And that's Oso Curly stuff. I might put in some videos of me packing as well. But I really just wanted to share that message with you guys and get your opinion on things and be transparent and share with you guys what I'm going through at the moment, because someone needs to share the truth. I mean, unless it's just me going through this, then damn, but I know I can't be the only one. So 2022 is coming and there's just so much going on in the world and in business. My battery's gonna die. But yeah, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, let's have a conversation, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.